gonna have a wraparound porch, a big front porch, and a big back porch. And that'll be in another video. I don't know if you can see it. We can see the road, that's the highway. But there's a little blacktop road down there too. Okay, so now we fix to go pick out some trees so we can go transplant. So here we go. We got some pretty good topsoil, and we got some sandy clay that looks pretty wet, pretty damp, which is not too wet. So we're gonna go get the tree and slide it in there. All right, folks, welcome to our channel. We thought we'd bring you out here and show you a little bit about our place. Cabin is that we had moved up here, and we're working on it, as you can tell. This window, one behind you, this window, these two windows, and this door put in. We're gonna have a wraparound porch, a big front porch, and a big back porch. And that'll be in another video. I don't know if you can see it. We can see the road, that's the highway. But there's a little blacktop road down there too. And we're gonna go down there and plant some trees along the road so nobody will be able to see us up here on the hill. Now we fix to go pick out some trees so we can go transplant. So here we go. Spotted a few trees down here I want to grab because I want to make this a grassy knoll so it won't wash. So these trees need to go anyway, so we thought they'd be a good start anyway for our shorter ones. We'll get some bigger ones too, but we're trying to figure out where to put the trees. And I think across just this side of that fence would be a pretty good spot. We fix the ease down here, dig a few holes, check out the soil, and have a place to put the trees when we bring them over to the place to transplant. So we'll see you there. Got some pretty good topsoil, and we got some sandy clay that looks pretty wet, pretty damp, which is not too wet. So we're gonna go get the tree and slide it in there. Let's do it. gonna ease up here and put this one in. I really don't know what kind of bush this is, and it is a bush, it's not really a tree, but they do really well out here, and they're everywhere out here. And then I think they'll be a great blocker, especially when we finish up and get a bunch of them in there. So, and that's our goal, is just to block the view. Got the hole dug now. Now if it's just go get a bunch more of those bushes, and we'll see you back here in a minute. Yeah, I went and got 4 more, put them in a hole. They're all about the same. I didn't know if y'all would want to watch it or not, but I fixed to kind of push some dirt up around them. I've already pushed up a little bit. Okay, now I went ahead and dug another trench here. And went up and got some more shrubs here to plant them. And we just continuing on and on. So we still got a good ways to go there. I bought a pump too. We'll get out and hook that pump up and get these trees watered. right, so I decided to go ahead and get some fast-growing pine trees. I think that's our best option. It's going to be small and they'll grow fast. They'll be about the same, and I think we'll have a better yield. Okay, but I did get all these planted today. All right, make sure to subscribe, because the next video I'm going to show you the pump that I bought to water all these trees with. And we'll see you in the next video. Okay. All right.